Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that absolutely destroys anything you throw at it, whether that's high FPS esports, AAA gaming, content creation, or future-proof multitasking, then today's review is definitely for you. We're diving deep into one of the most powerful gaming laptops of this year, the MSI GE68HX Raider 16, featuring a blazing fast 144Hz FHD Plus display, Intel's 14th Gen 24-core i9-14900HX processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, and a massive 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. I'll also drop the Amazon link in the description if you want to check the latest price or pick one up. So let's jump right in. First impressions matter, and the GE68HX Raider 16 does not disappoint. MSI kept their iconic Raider aesthetic, sleek, aggressive, modern, and unmistakably premium. The chassis feels sturdy and durable, perfect for gamers who travel or creators working on the go. You get the signature RGB light bar across the bottom front, one of MSI's coolest design elements, and a gorgeous per-key RGB backlit keyboard powered by SteelSeries. This means you can fully customize color zones, lighting effects, and macros for streaming or gaming. The laptop also features improved cooling vents on the sides and rear, contributing to better airflow and reduced heat under heavy loads. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where the Raider 16 shines for gamers. You're getting a 16-inch FHD Plus panel with a super responsive 144Hz refresh rate. This is ideal for esports titles like Valorant, CS2, Apex Legends, smooth AAA gameplay, fast-paced shooters, and even color-sensitive work thanks to MSI's solid color accuracy. The taller 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical space, which is great for productivity and editing. Whether you're gaming or working, the screen is sharp, bright, and buttery smooth. Inside this beast is Intel's 14th Gen i9-14900HX, a 24-core monster capable of handling literally anything you throw at it. With 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores, this CPU breezes through 4K video editing, heavy multitasking, 3D rendering, software development, virtual machines, AI workloads, and of course, high FPS gaming. You can stream, record gameplay, edit videos, run multiple apps all at the same time without slowing down. It's one of the strongest mobile CPUs on the market right now. Pairing that CPU with an NVIDIA RTX 4070 laptop GPU makes this laptop a true next-gen powerhouse. You get DLSS 3 frame generation, ray tracing, studio drivers for creators, excellent thermal performance. This laptop easily handles Cyberpunk 2027 with ray tracing, Elden Ring, Starfield, Hogwarts Legacy, Fortnite at well over 144 FPS. If you're playing competitive shooters like Valorant, Overwatch 2, or CS2, expect insanely high frame rates that fully utilize the 144Hz display. The RTX 4070 also crushes content creation. Premiere Pro, Blender, DaVinci Resolve, Unreal Engine, and AI tools all run beautifully. The MSI GE68HX Raider 16 comes with 32 gigabytes of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. The RAM ensures smooth multitasking, and the SSD gives you lightning-fast boot times and instant game loading. You can upgrade both in the future, giving you tons of flexibility. This is one of the first gaming laptops to support Wi-Fi 7, the next generation of wireless networking. Wi-Fi 7 offers lower latency, faster speeds, better stability, and improved performance for streaming and online gaming. You also get a solid set of ports, including USB-C, HDMI, USB-A, Ethernet, and more, giving you plenty of options for peripherals and monitors. The speakers are loud, clear, and great for movies, gaming, or music.
The new
MSI's
gaming
webcam
laptop
is
features
perfect
this
for
incredible
streaming or
vibrant
Zoom
screen
calls,
and
and with
customizable
Windows
RGB
11
lighting,
Home
perfect for
pre-installed,
gaming on the
the
go.
system
Look at this
boots
display.
fast and
The new
feels
MSI
extremely
gaming laptop
responsive
features
out of the
this
box.
incredible vibrant screen
RGB
and
enthusiasts
customizable
will
RGB
love
lighting,
MSI
perfect for
Center,
gaming on the
where you
go.
can
Look at this
personalize
display.
lighting,
The new
performance
MSI gaming
modes,
laptop
fan
features this
speed,
incredible
and system
vibrant screen
monitoring.
and customizable RGB
Real-world
lighting,
gaming on this
perfect for gaming
laptop
on the
is
go. Look at this
fantastic.
display. The new
Expect
MSI
ultra
gaming
settings in
laptop
most
features this
AAA
incredible
games,
vibrant screen and
smooth frame
customizable
rates,
RGB
very
lighting,
responsive
perfect for gaming on the
gameplay,
go.
and
Look at this
stable
display.
temperatures
The
thanks to
new MSI
MSI's
gaming laptop
advanced
features
cooling
this
system.
incredible vibrant
Whether
screen
you're an
and
esports
customizable
player,
RGB
a
lighting,
content
perfect for
creator,
gaming on
a
the go.
streamer,
Look at this
or
display.
someone who
The new
just wants a
MSI gaming
high-end laptop
features
that
this
can last for
incredible
years,
vibrant
the
screen and customizable RGB
GE68HX
lighting,
Raider
perfect for
16
gaming on the go.
delivers
Look at this display.
outstanding
The new
performance.
MSI gaming
So
laptop
is
features
the
this incredible vibrant screen
GE68HX
and
Raider
customizable
16 worth
RGB
it?
lighting, perfect for gaming on the
Absolutely.
go. Look at
If
this
you want a
display.
laptop
The
with
new
cutting-edge
MSI gaming
performance,
laptop features this
premium
incredible
build
vibrant
quality,
screen and
powerful
customizable
gaming
RGB
capabilities,
lighting,
and
perfect for
next-gen
gaming on the
features
go.
like
Look at
Wi-Fi
this
7
display.
and
The new
DDR5
MSI
memory.
gaming laptop
This
features
machine is built for
incredible vibrant
gamers,
screen and
creators,
customizable RGB
professionals,
lighting,
and
perfect for gaming
enthusiasts
on the
who
go.
want
Look at
something
this
fast,
display.
reliable,
The new MSI
and
gaming laptop
future-proof.
features this
If you're
incredible
interested in
vibrant
checking
screen
the
and
current
customizable
price,
RGB
customer
lighting,
reviews,
perfect
or
for gaming
grabbing
on the
one
go.
for
Look at
yourself,
this display.
I've included
The
the
new
Amazon
MSI
link
gaming
in the
laptop
description.
features this incredible
Using the link
vibrant screen
supports the
and
channel at
customizable
no
RGB
extra
lighting,
cost to you.
perfect for gaming on
Thanks
the
for
go.
watching.
Look at this
Don't
display.
forget to
The
like,
new MSI
subscribe,
gaming
and
laptop
comment
features
what
this
laptop you
incredible
want me to
vibrant
review
screen and
next.
customizable
See you in the
RGB
next
lighting,
video.
perfect